Join me as I dive into the world of JavaScript and take on the challenge of mastering it in just 1 week, despite how terrible everyone says it is. Love it or hate it, JavaScript is an essential skill for developers today, and if you don't know it, you're severely limiting your job prospects and career growth. JavaScript is a love-hate relationship for many developers. Some hate its quirks, others despise its inconsistencies, and then there are those who just can't wrap their heads around it. But let's be real, folks, JavaScript can be frustrating, especially for new developers. I mean, who hasn't wasted hours trying to debug a simple issue only to find out it was a silly mistake? One of the biggest criticisms of JavaScript is its lack of standardization. I mean, have you tried writing a simple script in different browsers? It's like they're speaking different languages. And don't even get me started on the inconsistencies between different versions of JavaScript itself. It's no wonder new devs get discouraged and want to throw in the towel. But what really gets my goat is when people say JavaScript is broken or poorly designed. I mean, come on, folks. JavaScript was created in just 10 days by Brendan Eich, and it was initially meant to be a simple scripting language for adding interactivity to web pages. It's evolved so much since then, and it's still doing its job remarkably well. Despite its flaws, JavaScript plays a crucial role in modern web applications. It's the glue that holds the web together, allowing us to create dynamic, interactive experiences that users love. And let's not forget about its role in mobile and desktop applications, game development, and even machine learning. So why does JavaScript still succeed despite its issues? It's because of its vast ecosystem, incredible community support, and versatility. I mean, where else can you write code for the client-side, server-side, or even desktop applications? JavaScript has become a Swiss Army knife for developers, and once you master it, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the sheer number of libraries, frameworks, and tools available for JavaScript. I mean, have you seen the state of the NPM registry lately? It's overwhelming, but in a good way. With so many resources available, it's never been easier to get started with JavaScript and build something amazing. So, despite its quirks, inconsistencies, and challenges, JavaScript is an indispensable tool for developers. It's time to stop complaining about its flaws and start embracing its power. In conclusion, learning JavaScript is crucial for any serious developer, despite its drawbacks. Don't let its flaws hold you back from unlocking its full potential. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on web development, JavaScript, and more. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to take your JavaScript skills to the next level, be sure to check out my video on advanced JavaScript techniques and frameworks. See you in the next one!